Hey guys, it's Poochie. So hold on just a second. Mm. I'm in my home office. Birds are tweeting. Betsy's working behind me. Say hi, Betsy.
Hi.
Dogs are flopped out all over the floor uh, in their drawers in my desk where they sleep too. And I want to tell you about something that's really a game changer. I feel like. Now I don't know how many of you know, but I have a little bit of ADD, and so it makes researching things and learning new programs a struggle for me. Um, so this is like a godsend to me. AMZ Scout is now doing reports for profitable items. So if you don't know AMZ Scout, they're a software that they're one of the industry leaders. Private label, online arbitrage, drop shipping, just Amazon research of what is selling. So they have this new thing that they just introduced. You can get individual reports for up to 20 items. For 10 items, it's $150, so 15 bucks a piece. For 15 items, it's 210, so it goes down to 14 bucks a piece. So let's just say 15 bucks a piece, okay? So what it is they show you an item they've researched already, okay? And they aren't sending the same list to everybody, okay? So, like, you don't have to worry about that. They have found these items and are giving them basically to you, and they found it using their own software. But it's like, for me, it's like when I research and it takes hours, and I find one and then I find another. And then I end up going down a rabbit hole, an ADD rabbit hole. Uh, that's why I research as little as possible for my businesses. I hand it off to other people because it's very difficult to me. So this is like, I'm really excited about this because you don't have to spend hours and hours and hours and hours researching for products. You pay 15 bucks a piece, you get 10 products. It's like, oh my God, if they had this when I started, I may not have ever started researching products. You can do it with the AMZ Scout software and other software too, but like this is just, oh man. So let me go through a sample, right? And remember, you're paying like 15 bucks for these, right? So there's multiple ways to use this. This is a poppet shoulder bag for girls, okay? It sells 1,800 times a month, which is good. The price is $19.99. Okay, the categories here. So if there's a category you're not ungated in, or you just don't want to deal with, like a lot of people don't want to deal with. Some people don't want to deal with toys and games because they feel like it's seasonal. Some people don't want to deal with cell phones and accessories because of the amount of returns. So you looked at, some people don't want to do anything that lights up because of battery rules uh, for Amazon FBA. I mean, there's a lot of different uh, things that you can look through here and just automatically get, okay, this is, home and kitchen, 965 a month. The price is 74.99. If you want to get something that is smaller, like you don't have that much room in your Amazon storage, then look at these crystal self-adhesive ribbons, right? Monthly sales 400. Then these are going to take up hardly any room. The hair tinsel kit, and they have monthly sales of 1,400. But like, do you want to sell something that's 74.99, or do you want to sell something that's 17.99? Okay, so there's all sorts of uh, different things that you can look through on this sourcing list, right? And or on this individual report list. Sorry. So one of the things is you can go to Amazon. I went to Amazon on this one before, and I have a software that tells me when there is an IP alert. So how does that come in handy, right? So we're not going to. He does that. I'm sorry. He does that every time he gets picked up. It's not that he's hurt. It's just that he makes his horrible noise. This is Louie, everybody. Bring him over here. Bring him over here. Oh my God, that was funny. So some of you may recognize Louie. Would you recognize Louie if he had a top hat? Hi, baby. He had a top hat and a little bow tie. He is the real Poochie. He is my mascot, my logo. And he likes to go when somebody picks him up. Sound like a goose. Chicken. So back to the video. Okay. We keep it real here. So the stuff like that, we just leave in the videos. So this brand is known to file IP complaints. Right. So you don't want to piggyback on this listing, right? So they gave us this listing and they're telling us what it sells for and how many, the product rank, right? 23,000, right? But what you'd want to do is you'd want to get this product, you'd want to source it. Let's go back. You want to source it, and then after you source it, when you source it, so, okay, sorry, let's go back to Amazon. I'm going to show you a little trick. So you're going to go, yeah, I know, IP alerts. So you're going to go down here and you're going to go, let's see the reviews, right? Where are the reviews? Oh my God, I'm going to be scrolling for 5 months. Okay, it'll show you that it's 4.4 pounds too, which is like awesome. Okay, so here are the reviews, right? 66% are 5-star reviews, okay? 13% are 4-star reviews. Well, let's go down here. 9% are 1-star reviews, right? So we're going to read this review, and we're going to see what is wrong with this item that maybe when we source it from Alibaba, which is where we're going to source it from, we can improve on the item. Okay, so rip off, these are only a foot tall, okay? So maybe you can get one that's a little larger. What I received is a bit more than a foot tall, which is a very long way from the 40 inches they're claiming. Yeah, I mean, that's a big deal. If you claim 12 inches is 40 inches, I'm not going to go there. I'm not going to go there. But bought 2 when trying to put together, I gave up. Came in so many pieces, was missing even more. So these are all, when you're looking to go and have someone you're sourcing this item from Alibaba and you're looking for a supplier for this item, you want to go through the item on Amazon if you can, or similar items on Amazon, and improve upon your product. Okay? Do you understand what I mean? Like you take, like, didn't like it at all. Well, that's not a very, that's not a very good review to help. Need help pairing. These are junk, cheap looking, product too small. So one of the things we see is product too small, not as big as shown. So that's one of the key things for this product. You want to make sure that when you photograph it, that you don't make it look like it's, as big as, it's like 6 feet tall or 5 feet tall. That's ridiculous. So maybe it's just part of it, and maybe, I don't know. But that's one thing that you can do to improve the item. I hope that all made sense. You always want to try to, if you're doing private label, you always want to make sure that you're trying to improve the item, because then you're going to give your customers a better product, and they're going to come to your product rather than the one that got the negative reviews in the first place. So let's go to this. I haven't seen this one yet. Okay. 2 by 4 feet. Okay. If you go down, tells you it's number 236,000. And on here it said, not sure I would do these because it seems more seasonal. I mean, sometimes these things sell all year round. Christmas stuff, certain Christmas things will sell all year round. Monthly sales are $965 a month. The price is $74.99 a month. I think the price has gone down a little bit from that. They probably put it on sale. Yeah. So I don't know how many sellers there are on this. probably only one. You can go down here. You can go down and look at the Keepa chart. You can look at, you know, all sorts of stuff, because you don't want to just say that AMZ Scout gives you these for $15 a piece and, oh, you're going to do them all. No, you want to take uh, item weight 4.27 pounds. That's good. You want to take the, 811 in Christmas trees. Okay, so you want to take the information that they give you, and then you want to go and research on your own. So you don't want to just say, oh, they say this sells 965 a month. Well, maybe it only sells 965 during Christmas time. So be careful. They're giving you the information. They're saying it is a good product, which it is. But you want to be careful and not just buy, you know, everything on the list. And this one says engine start button cover. That looks like a, oh, it is. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Yeah, the Mandalorian style. Yeah, that's cool. So here's the thing with this, though, you're going to get into. You might get into some intellectual property stuff. So I would be careful of this, right? But that, I mean, I don't know. It's not really, I don't know. It's kind of like Mando style. And they don't really use Mandalorian, but, you know, it's 250,000 in automotive. So Amazon's not on the listing. It's $9.99, and over here it is $12.99. So they're selling $389 a month, $12.99. Now it's down to $9.99. But I mean, these are all products that they've researched. They've found them that they're selling. Now, if you want to find something that's similar, I can go and look up smartphone screen magnifier all over Google and find all sorts of products, and probably find wholesale products that maybe I don't have to go to Alibaba. Maybe I can just go somewhere in the United States or order a smaller amount, don't have to order a lot. So this is great. Great to get, not only if you want to do private label, but also if you want to find things that are selling a lot, and then find similar things and put them on, like hair tinsel kit. Let's look at the hair tinsel kit. Okay, so hair tinsel kit, you got all this stuff with a hair tinsel kit. And then let's see if we can go on Google and see hair tinsel kit. Maybe it'll only come up what's on Amazon, but okay. I mean, you can go through the shopping links, you can go through other links. Walmart has them right here. It's more than on Amazon though. So you can go all over literally and get hair tinsel kits. You don't have to only go to Alibaba. Google is your friend always. So I just wanted to show you that, guys, because it's, if you don't like to do your own research, or if you just don't have time to do your own research, or if you just don't have time to hire and manage VAs, which is a lot, let me tell you, this is definitely for you. It's 150 bucks for 10. So can you afford to invest 150 bucks in your business to find products? And like, these are just the sample, this is just a sample report. I mean, that they've sent out to people. It's not like this is going to be your report. You're not going to get something that they've sent out to everybody else. Your report is going to be for you, items for you that you can sell. So it's a great thing. There's a link at the bottom on how to do this. It's 150 bucks, and I actually think I'm going to do this for at least 20 items, because God, I hate doing research. Their tool makes it really easy to do the research, but it's just such a struggle for me. So I hope you liked the video. Again, the link is going to be in the description, and make sure you subscribe and like for more like this. Thanks for watching, guys.